If you live in South Florida, here's the move that can save you money and headaches. Separate your windstorm policy from your standard homeowner's hazard coverage. Quick reset. Hazard insurance handles the usual stuff: fire, theft, liability, non-floodwater damage. Windstorm is its own thing. Hurricanes, tropical storms, tornadoes, hail, not flood. Different risk, different rules. Why split them? 3 big wins. First, customization. Set wind-specific deductibles and limits to match my home's risk, roof, windows, without overpaying on the rest. Second, cleaner claims. When wind and rain hit together, separate policies make it easier to sort coverage, who pays, and how fast. Third, flexibility. Shop windstorm with specialists or citizens if private carriers won't touch my address, and keep my hazard policy competitive elsewhere. In Florida, wind deductibles are usually a percentage. Think 2% to 10% of insured value. $400,000 home with a 5% hurricane deductible? $20,000 out of pocket before coverage kicks in. Plan for that. Now the power play. Mitigation. Impact windows. Reinforced roofs. Roof-to-wall connections. Florida law rewards these with discounts. Homes built to the 2001 code or later can see big cuts on the wind portion. Get a wind mitigation inspection, submit it, and watch premiums drop. How I separate policies in 4 steps. Call my agent for a breakdown. Does my current policy include wind? Get standalone wind quotes from private carriers, from citizens. Compare limits, deductibles, total cost. Bind the wind policy. Update the hazard policy to exclude wind. Make sure my lender gets proof of both. Review every year before hurricane season, especially after upgrades like a new roof. Condo or HOA. The master policy may cover the shell, not your unit's interior or contents. Verify and fill gaps. Landlords, check your rental policies too. Bottom line, separating wind from hazard gives control, clearer claims, and potential savings, without gambling on hurricane season. For more information, visit choiceoninsurance.net or call us at 305-252-WAIT73.